welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. From the title you know that today again I am going to review a newly launched product from Pantene. So let's get started without wasting any more time. Guys, recently Pantene has launched this product. Now this is the product, as you can see. This is Pantene Open Hair Miracle Oil Replacement. The product quantity that you will be getting is 80 ml and the MRP is 90 rupees. At times you can get this product at a discounted rate, and the shelf life of this product is 3 years, so that is great. There are a lot of things written over here. The main purpose of this oil replacement is to reduce hair fall. Now one thing comes in our mind, how we can use this product. So there are 4 different ways of using this product. One product and uses are 4. First thing is oil replacement. We all know that. So before taking a shower, just put this serum on your hair for 30 minutes and it will nourish your hair from the but I will suggest you guys, don't put it on your scalp, only put it on your lens, and then after putting it keeping it 30 minutes, take a shower, okay, and your hair will feel really nourished. I have seen that actually. And the next thing is, you can apply this after shower in your damp frizzy hair, and it will tame your hair and the frizziness will go away. You can use it as a conditioner, means instead of using your regular conditioner, you can use it as a conditioner also, and it is a heat protectant. Apply before styling to form a protective layer against styling heat. Means if you are someone who loves different hairstyles and every day you are using your hair styler, so this is going to keep your hair safe. If I am not wrong, the price was rupees 90 and it is a heat protectant. This is really something interesting, at such a cheap rate you are getting one heat protectant. I really liked this thing, and it will reduce your hair fall, and it will reduce the hair damage which happens every day because of the pollution and all this stuff. Now guys, I'm going to show you the application of this product and how it looks, how it smells, everything. So I'm going to just show you the application, and I know that you don't have to see, but anyways, so this is how the product looks, guys. It is quite thick. The smell is very nice, so what I do basically, that I just put it in my fingers and okay, my hair is already tamed. Now see this and see this, you'll find a huge difference, right? So this is it. This is what the product says. This is so frizzy and this is tamed. And one more thing I would like to say, I'm looking peculiar, I know that. One more thing I would like to say, guys, that this product is, this is the product which I am having is of 80 ml, and this product can be carried easily in your handbag. It is travel friendly, so you can just carry it wherever you go. I'm talking like Vodafone now. Anyways, so this is it. You can, the difference is quite visible, right? If you have liked this video, don't forget to leave a like. Do share this video among your friends and family, guys, because this product is from Pantene and it is new. And until my next video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell. Always I tell the same thing, so I just forgot. Guys, you have understood what I'm trying to say. Anyways, until my next video comes, tata, take care.